Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today I will be unboxing this from AMS, Aircraft Mod Store. This came nearly 2 weeks late, so definitely 1 week, but I'm not sure 2 weeks. So yeah, handle with care. Yeah, I've got a knife and some scissors. Be careful with them, you know. So handle with care. It came from DPD. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so easy. Don't worry, I cut it open before just to check if something's in there. I know what's in there. It's supposed to be a Pheonix 737, but I'm not sure if it actually will be a Pheonix 737. Scissors. This is where the scissors come in use. No, it's from this side. There's tape here. Knife. Come on. I don't want to ruin my couch. Or sofa. Or whatever you call it. Here, I give up. Let's rip it open. Okay, so we have it. It's pretty big. Yes, baby! Here we have the 1400 Virgin 737 and special liveried. This is by Pheonix, if I'm not wrong. Doesn't say. Oh well. There's someone else in here. Ooh! I did not remember ordering this, but we have an Alitalia 777. Alitalia 777 Herpa. Originally, I thought this was a Skymarks, just looking by it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick photo. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, 2 models. So today I will be unboxing one. So basically, actually here, do you know what? I'll do both. Okay, so Virgin 737. Put that Italia here. So this baby is going to be epic. Easy. Okay, so the box. Oh yeah, I forgot the tour of the box. The big Virgin logo, the plane, and yeah. Very brief. Come on. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Come on. Wait, is there tape on this? No, I don't see any tape. Wait, is there anything else I can note? Nope, nothing's in the box. Now, let's try and get this open. Oh, there we go. Fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. Head to Queensland. 737. Absolutely beautiful. The gear is everything. Yeah, so the gear is epic. The registration. God Rego. This will never focus, I swear to God. Probably because of the background. It's absolutely beautiful, and yeah, great for my collection. Comes with no stand, which is a pity. So yeah. Oh my God, this camera will never focus. This will never focus, seriously. Alright, now the Herpa. I thought. But Skymarks make these huge ones. So we got tape. I'm gonna take the knife. I could do it with a scissor, but like, it's more smoother with a knife, do you know? Okay, one side. I think one side's enough. Kind of sounds like a Lego set, like. Oh yeah, box. So that's supposed to be German and English. I can't read German. No, I open it this side. There's 2 tape. Fantastic. 2 tapes. Great. Let's not break one arm. Yep, there we go. And yeah, let's open this baby. Ah, beautiful. Alitalia. Box. Yeet. Rip. Anyways. Oh, beautiful. Kind of like a Lego set, do you know? I think it's a 1/200. Didn't give a tour of the box. Because who would? So yeah, it's a snap fit. That's why it came in these parts. This stand reminds me of my Hogan 787. So yeah. You see, I don't get the thing with Alitalia planes. It's always registered like Irish registration, or is Irish registration like Italian registration? So yeah. So it's a 777 3-300 ER. Look, it won't focus. Like, I have to tap it because otherwise it won't focus. This is big. It's metal, which I'm glad. So yeah, start with the rudder and elevators. Okay. I don't remember it being like this. I don't even remember ordering the plane. Okay, this is going to be hard. Please send help. Like this. Is this the wing? This is bad. Okay, I've done one elevator. And the second one. Rip. No face reveal. Jesus Christ, I cannot do this. What the actual hell? I genuinely cannot do this. Ugh. Finally. Yeah, the elevators are done. My hands are all sweaty. Ugh. My hands hurt from putting the rudder in. There we go. Now the engines. The engines. Wait, can I? I can't blow into them. Because sometimes if you blow into some engines, it will actually kind of spin, you know. This is huge. I mean, like, this is actually huge. That's one wing done. The second one. It's... oh, there we go. There we go. Alitalia 777-300 ER. Now let's put this on the stand and get rid of this box. Rip. So yeah, put it on the stand. And yeah. I wonder where I will put this in my room. So this is my 777 and this is my 737. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Well, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really happy. And yeah, bye.